Welcome to HongKongBeverage.com. Every week we're gonna show you how to make a perfect cocktail. Impress your friends with HongKongBeverage.com. Alright guys, today we're gonna make a Tom Collins, which is another of our classic gins. Now we're gonna use another gin. As well, you can find any of your preference gins. Today I'm using Bombay Fire, but you can find it in hkbeverage.com. For the ingredients, we're gonna use gin, dry London gin. We're gonna use simple syrup, and we're gonna use lemon, fresh lemon juice always. So first, we're gonna use, this is really simple, we're gonna use 2 ounces of our gin. I'm gonna use half of an ounce of a simple syrup. And we're gonna use 1 full ounce of lemon juice. Sometimes you have only half of it, can give you 1 ounce, sometimes it gives you a little bit less. So just make sure it's a full ounce. And we're gonna add some fresh ice on our glass. And we're gonna use any preferred soda. We have it as well on hkbeverage.com, which is London Essence soda. I'm gonna put it all over our glass. I'm gonna use 1 of our spoons just to give it a little quick stir. There we go. And then for our garnish, we're gonna use lemon wedge with any preference of cherry, preferably maraschino. I'm gonna add it on top. And cheers, enjoy, really refreshing for this summer.
It's very refreshing. It's a really good drink for summer.